This video is a brief overview of MyGovChat app, a two-way real-time communication platform between citizens and government. Basically, this is an application I've been building for the last 5 months, and it's almost complete now. What remains is to make it mobile responsive and to host it online so that it can be used by the government and the public, all the citizens. I have also written a paper where I have motivated the problem that I'm solving by building this application. The paper is called Improving Local, Regional and National Governance through Real-Time Citizen Government Communication, the case of MyGovChat. The problem we are solving is information asymmetry that exists between governments and the public. The public usually is not aware of what the leaders, that is, the politicians and the government officials, are doing for them. At the same time, the officials and the politicians are not usually aware of the issues at the local or the regional level. So this is like an official Twitter or an official Facebook where the governments can be communicating with the public and vice versa in real time. I will do a comprehensive video covering this paper and going into the details of the application, but for now we will just have a brief overview of the application and how it's working. So I'm logged in 3 different browsers. In one browser, that is Chrome, I'm logged in as Morage. In Edge, I'm logged in as Arino, and in Firefox, I'm logged in as Honorable Wamushoba. So I want to illustrate that we can set an issue. So basically all these functionalities that are working, we can unfollow a user, and if we unfollow a user, then they will appear here. We can like a post, and we can view a post, we can share a post. I will be discussing some of these functionalities in this app. We can also conduct a poll, like this was an example poll that I logged in as Honorable Amatagi, and I asked residents, in this case only 4 residents, about the county government has some money to spend and where the public would like it to be spent on. Is it dam or electricity? So we can conduct a poll. It can be a compliment, it can be a complaint, it can be a compliment, feedback, suggestion. It can be maybe you have an innovation that you want to share with the public or with the government and you want it to be funded. All those kind of issues as we shall be seeing shortly. So let me raise an issue as Morage. So here we can raise an issue. It can be agriculture, corruption, crime. It can be about drought, about healthcare. There are so many issues here, and you can see we have also other issues. So these other issues here include the identification of important government documents like passports, national ID card, birth certificate, death certificate, women groups registration certificates, land registration. All these issues, you can raise an issue here that you want to bring to attention. So in our case, let's say we want to raise an issue about waste management. Then the category as I have just explained shortly, we can conduct a poll. It can be an innovation we want to bring to attention, a report, inquiry, request, suggestion, all this. So in our case, this is a complaint. Then we select the priority. It can be low, medium, high, or urgent. Let's say in our case it is medium, and then we describe the issue here. Before we describe the issue, we select the country. And if we select a country here like Algeria, then all the regions that are associated with Algeria, they will pop up here. So all these are the regions that are associated with Algeria. Here, all these sub-regions here are the sub-regions that are associated with the first region in the selected country. For example, all these are sub-regions of Avrem in Algeria, in Adar in Algeria. if we select let's say another region here like this one, then all the subregions in that specific region in Algeria, they will pop up here. And I have got 167 countries in total, and if you look at this database here, we have over 1.3 million documents. That is, I have specific data for over 1.3 million unique villages or sub-regions. So all these here, Algeria, these sub-regions, I have over 1.3 million documents or over 1.3 million villages or sub-regions. So if we select another, okay, again, if we select a country here, as we shall see shortly, then the politicians for that country, they will pop up here, the various positions that we have in that country, and the same for the government officials. So for example, if we search here United States, then you will notice that the politicians for United States are different. So I had to search because I want this application to be international, I had to correct the data for the different government structures in different countries. If we select, for example, like United Kingdom, then you can see the governance structure here for the United Kingdom. But for our case, we are interested in Kenya. So we can select Kenya like that. Then our region is Kiambu County. Kiambu County has got very many different regions, and like just any other region, I was able to correct the data for various sub-regions. And one of the important things, if your region is not listed here, you can add it. But in our case, let's use Gitaro here, and then for example, we can say Gitaru market. And then the issue, we can say Gitaru market is highly polluted. Then we can say that we have been complaining for the past 3 months, yet no action has been taken. Then we can select the file type. We can attach a PDF, a video, audio, or image. For now, I will use an image and a PDF to illustrate. So we want to complain about waste management. I collected different photos here and videos. So we can select like that one. Just for illustration, we can also upload a PDF or a document or a PDF. Let me upload a document or a PDF here. I can use like that one. And then I can either tag the general public. If I select the general public, I cannot tag the general public and the government officials at the same time. If I tag general public, then I cannot tag this. If I tag a politician or a government official, then I cannot tag the public. So let me just tag a few people here for illustration, and I can submit the issue. So I've just created an issue about waste management. So if I create an issue like that, all the leaders in that locality, they will receive notification. You can see here. So if you can see, these are the notifications that this leader received from the previous post. But now all the leaders in Gitaro, either government official or politician, they will receive this notification here. So then if we go to another browser, so I sent this message here as David Morage from Chrome, and just to illustrate, you can see only so far this post has one view. I cannot flag because I cannot flag my own comment. It would beat the purpose to write a comment and then flag. I can share with all the regions. You can see here we have 109 regions in Barigo. I can just select 2 regions there for illustration, and then 2 regions here in Busia, and then probably 2 regions in Bomet, and I can share this I can share those posts. So you can see so far we have one view, we have one share, and we have one like. So this application is supposed to be real time. If we go to now, this is Wamushoba who is logged in here. She should be able to see, yeah, you can see the number of views have incremented to 2. Then there is the likes is 1, now it has increased to 2. Then another person can flag the post like that, and then she can reply. So this is the first reply. And also you can see we can also attach a file type. We can also reply to a post by clicking the post itself. So we can reply here. This is a second reply to a post like that. And we can also choose file type here. You can see we can upload a photo, video, we can upload all this, and we can set like that. So you can see this is a second reply to the post, and we can see it there. So let's go to Edge and see. So it has not yet appeared in Edge. Let's refresh here. If we refresh in Edge, you can see the post is here, and okay, let's go to Gitalo. The post has been posted specifically for Gitalo. Yeah, this is the post for, yeah, we can see we can also follow, and if we follow a user, then they are disappearing from here. We can also follow from here. You can see now there are no suggestions available here because we have followed all of them. And then we can like, you can see the number of views have incremented to 3 because you have viewed. And this user can also flag like that. And the user can also share. We can share. We cannot share to this. You can see there are regions that are grayed out because the post has already been shared to those regions, and there is no need of resharing a post if it was already shared to a specific region. So you can see now this post have 3 likes, 2 replies. We can also reply from there. This is a third reply. We can also choose a file type, but for now we will not choose. I will do a comprehensive video showing all these functionalities in detail. I just want to highlight the key functionalities for now. So in this sidebar, we can select only the posts that have been posted by my followers, those I follow. You can see all that. Or specifically, we can choose a certain post. For example, if we want to see only agriculture, there are no agricultural issues in Gitaro. But if we select all and probably select here agriculture, you can see these are the issues that have been posted about agriculture in the entire Kiambu. If we select, for example, corruption, then we can see the corruption issues here in Kiambu. And then if we go back there to all, we can select issues by the type of the issue. That one we have discussed. We can select by engagement rates. We can select by the progress status of the issue. Then there is the tags. Then there is the post category. Complement, is it a complement, suggestion? For example, if you only want to see the polls, these are the polls that have been conducted here. So let's say all. Then there is we have tags who has been tagged. Do you want to see only the posts that have tagged the general public or the officials and the politicians? Or then there is the post category. Do you want to see compliment, feedback? That one we have talked about it. Then there is the engagement rate. So there is all those. Then you can see if there is an issue with the internet, you can see that we are being warned there. Then when we go back here to Gitaro, you can see this post has 3 likes, 3 replies, 2 flags, 3 views, and 2 shares. So if we come to the other logged in users, you can see this user receives a notification that the post was shared. You can see that the views are 3, shares are 2. This that is real-time updates. The application enables real-time updates of issues. The issues are broadcasted in. The issues are supposed to be broadcasted in real time. If there is a problem with the internet, then there is some delay. Then if you are okay, let me go back here. Here we are logged in as Honorable Mushoba. If we can view the analytics dashboard, this is the dashboard that will be available to the officers and the politicians, and they will be able to see a summary of the key issues in their localities. So there's a problem with the internet. I just wanted to illustrate that we can go to the dashboard here. So in Gitaro there are very few issues here, but if we check an issue, if we check all the subregions in Kiambu, then you can see that the most reported issues are complaint, followed by announcement, inquiries. There is 1 request, 1 suggestion, there is 1 innovation, 2 polls. You can see they will appear here, and they can use this select drop down here to select the region. So for my case, I was able to collect 76 issues from Twitter, from Facebook. That is the issues regarding the Kiambu people. And then we can go back to posts. Then, so this is the issue for Gitaro, as I have just described. But we can, if we want to view all the issues, we can come here. Then there is the spaces here. This spaces here, and you can see there is a button for spaces for the officials, and also for the citizens. So if a citizen or an official wants to conduct an online video meeting or an audio meeting, then they can come here. They create a meeting, or if there is a meeting that is going on, you can come here. For example, you can see there is a test meeting that I created a few minutes ago. Just for these are test meetings that have been created to test this app. So they can join this meeting. You can say this is a meeting. The meeting is live. So this is just like a Google Meet or Zoom, where participants can join meetings, and they can be able to discuss. So for now, this may not work because I'm using my camera here, but it's working. I will probably need to switch off this camera here. But anyway, that's just an illustration that this application is almost complete. What is missing now is that I need to make all this. There's need to make this. There's need to make it mobile responsive, so that it can be used in small devices like tablets and mobile phones. So I will not illustrate this video meeting for now. If I was to go back to, okay, I can go back to Edge here. Well, let's go back and go back to posts. So that is it for now. if we follow a user from here, we can follow a user from there, and we can select basically any region here if you want to see specific post for that region. So I will do a comprehensive video, and that one should cover almost an hour, where we will go over these issues in details. For now, I would like someone to connect me with the Kiambu County ICT offices, or the national ICT offices, so that we can host this application, and users can be able to engage with it, that is the public and the government. So for now, that is all. Thank you very much.